The padEnd method pads the current string with a given string, so that the resulting string reaches a given length. The padding is applied from the end of the current string. The padStart method pads the current string with another string until the resulting string reaches the given length. The padding is applied from the start of the current string. The repeat method constructs and returns a new string which contains the specified number of copies of the string on which it was called, concatenated together. Replace method returns a new string with some or all matches of a pattern replaced by a replacement. The pattern can be a string or a Regex, and the replacement can be a string or a function to be called for each match. If pattern is a string, only the first occurrence will be replaced. Search method executes a search for a match between a regular expression and this string object. Another video will be uploaded explaining regular expressions in details.